Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I would like to show you how to make Brandy Alexander. Brandy Alexander is really one of my favorite drinks, and if I have friends coming over and they are not big drinkers, that is a perfect drink for them as well. It's a dessert drink that is quite sweet and the flavor is nice and smooth. There are quite a few theories related to the origin and the name of the cocktail, and I will try to mention a few of them. The first one says that the drink was created in London for the wedding of Princess Mary and Viscount Lascelles in 1922. Another theory says that it was created for the Russian tsar Alexander II. The most feasible theory is that the drink was created by Troy Alexander in a bar in New York City for a dinner celebrating the fictional character of Phoebe Snow. Phoebe Snow was the character used by Wakawona Limited. In the late 19th and the beginning of the 20th century, steam-powered trains were the most common way of transportation on a big distance. However, due to the burning process, many of the passengers and their belongings were at risk to get stained by the soot released during the process. So Wakawona Limited had a vast mines of anthracite coal, which is burning way cleaner and more complete compared to the other types of coal, leading to a soot reduction and much cleaner results. So in their campaign, Phoebe Snow was always represented, or most of the time represented, traveling on their trains, always dressed in white, in a way to show that even if dressed in white, she was able to arrive at her destination still looking white. And because of that and the play with the color, Troy Alexander decided to make a white looking drink for the event. Since the drink is called Brandy Alexander, obviously we're gonna need brandy for it. I believe in the original recipe they were using cognac, which is a French type of brandy, but if you have any other brandy on hand, it will work perfectly as well. So let's start. Today I'm gonna use Spanish brandy, Torres 10, which is quite common and good quality Spanish brandy. It's mid-range, but good quality mid-range brandy. So we put 1 ounce. In some recipe you can see that they add 1.5 ounces of the brandy, but the original recipe, as far as I know, calls for equal parts, and that is what I'm gonna do today. Then we take Giffard dark creme de cacao, and we're gonna use 1 ounce as well. And last but not least, 1 ounce of heavy cream. Oh, you're good. Yeah, that's what happened when the cream and the fat of the cream goes on top of it, on top of the bottle. These accidents can happen. That's part of the game. So we put ice in our shaker. We close the shaker and we shake. Okay, so ignoring the mess, we're gonna take our strainer and fine strainer, and we're gonna pour in our Nick and Nora. Okay, and to garnish, we're gonna use some freshly grinded nutmeg. So that is how you make a Brandy Alexander. Please like and subscribe, and let me know if there is any drink you would like to see in the future. Take care everyone, bye bye.